this is
Yeah,
one of those
effective.
basic skills that you need to know as a soil scientist. What I do is sort of fill my hand with the soil. This has already been passed through a 2mm sieve. And you could use a spray bottle like this or a squirt bottle like what you would see in a laboratory. And you work it to the consistency of Play-Doh. If it gets too wet, then you want to add some more soil or work it longer. If it's too dry, you add more water. But because this was passed through the sieve, it actually hydrated pretty well. The first question was, does it form a ball?
Yeah.
And it forms a ball very well. Then it asks you if it forms a ribbon, and the answer is it does form a ribbon pretty well.
And for people who are untrained, the ribboning part I think is the hardest thing for them to do. I know you said this we should do it with our non-dominant hand to help with accuracy.
Yeah.
Which is interesting.
So.
And it leaves your dominant hand clean
to touch your phone. Yeah, that's also very true.
So what I'm doing now is essentially pinching the soil with my thumb over my index finger. And I'm not getting a very long ribbon. What are the breaks, the questions that it's asking?
Less than 2.5, 2.5 to 5, and greater than 5 centimeters.
You're the tap.
So the amount of clay in the soil, the more clay and the type of clay may require you to spend more time incorporating water into your soil ball before you spend time.
So my ribbons, and this is something that is very difficult if you've not worked with soil before, but my ribbon comes out around 3 centimeters.
Okay. Is it gritty?
The next question essentially asks you if it's dominantly clay, silt, or sand. If it's gritty, smooth, or neither.
Not gritty or smooth?
And the easiest way to do this is to take a little bit in your palm, super hydrate it to where it's saturated with water, and you roll it around with your non-dominant finger to figure out if it's gritty. And this is, I would say, gritty.
Okay. It's like fine grit, yeah.
It's a very fine grit, but you can definitely tell that it is gritty. So what is the texture once you walk through that it tells you it is?
It pops up at the very bottom of the screen.
That's a pretty good texture.
The sand, because it's blown in. From this 0 to 1.
This is the top one too.
Yeah, this is the very top. I imagine as we go deeper in the profile, it may not be as gritty, and it'd be more clay. But that's generally how you work through the ribbon method. And I do have some printouts